Now, next up here is going to be with M1 Finance. This is personally one of my favorites. This one is going to be ideal for long-term and dividend investors like myself. This is also going to allow you to create custom ETFs so you can put different stocks into a little pie and be able to set things up for yourself. You can also do fractional shares, again, investing in small dollar amounts. And you can also do auto investing. It's great for setting and forgetting. So you can put everything in one place. You can set up everything how you want it to be with percentages for each stock or ETF and kind of let it work on its own and take care of it for you. They also have a dividend reinvesting made easy. This is also in that same space of allowing everything to kind of come in, whether it's earn dividends or deposits, and have that money flow back into your investments as quickly as possible. Now, they do also have M1 Borrow, which is effectively allowing you to utilize your portfolio as collateral to borrow money outside of the actual investment. So if you need to pull money out to pay down some debts or utilize it for an investment outside of M1 Finance, you can actually do that with M1 Borrow. Now, with M1 Finance, you can actually get up to a $100 bonus for utilizing our link in the show notes down below. Now, next up here is going to be with SoFi. SoFi is $0 free. There is a $1 account minimum, but obviously for most people, that's not going to be too much of a worry. You can also follow other investors. So they have kind of like a social aspect to this where you can go ahead and see what other people have on their watch list, maybe even have in their portfolio as well. They also do have options trading, and they do have SoFi ETFs with no management fees. So if you want to get into ETFs, this is going to help you save a little bit more money in the long term if you are wanting to not have to pay as much in the management fees. They do have what they call stock bits, which is effectively fractional shares, just a different name with this brand. And it is an all-in-one app, so you can do your banking, money tools, as well as your investing all in one. So it just kind of keeps all your money in close proximity to one another. And you can actually get up to $1,000 in bonuses if you go ahead and use the link down below with following through any of the tier requirements to be able to get that nice bonus.